to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So today, as you can see, I got some beautiful braids. I got some beautiful knotless braids, as you can see, that I did all by myself. This is the first time I've ever done knotless braids before, and I promise you I will never stop. You will see these every 2 days because I love them so much. I'm so proud of myself. They came out so good for a first timer and not a professional. I'm pretty proud of myself, and I'm so excited to show you guys how I did this. So please make sure to subscribe and like before we head into the video. It helps me a lot and it shows me y'all's support. So let's get right into this video where you guys can learn how to slay your braids like me. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Alrighty, I had already finished 3/4 of my hair before because this literally took me 7+ hours to do. I had my hair sectioned off. I use the infamous Shine and Jam conditioning gel. I use this for any hairstyle I do. I also use the Afro-G Shea Pro leave-in moisturizer because I do not want to take out my braids and have dry frizzy hair after. The hair I used was the Quay Jumbo Braid Pack. This came with 6 packs of hair. I ran out at the end and I had to use 2 packs of some leftover hair from before, so I recommend using at least 8 packs of hair. I used my Demon brush that is featured in all of my hair videos, a rat tail comb, and an edge brush. Don't forget your mirror so you'll be able to see all your parts. So then I started taking my hair out from the braids and moisturizing it with the Afro-G leave-in moisturizer. I love this. It is so moisturizing. The only thing I don't like about it is the scent. It smells like grapefruit and it gives me a headache, but I still power through. I took out my hoop earrings because I was done fronting for the camera. I don't know why I had them in for so long. Next up is to run that Demon brush through your hair to get rid of any tangles. Here I was checking how many sections and rows I had on the other side of my head so I can match it. Not the oil on my face. I had to do a quick touch up because I was mad oily after sitting in the chair for hours doing my hair. Here I am detangling, and this is the part where it gets kind of tricky when you are parting your hair. I am not the best parter. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm not good at parting. Usually I don't even care, but because it is knotless box braids, you are going to be able to see it. So I'm telling you to take your time. Do not rush this. It is a work in progress. Okay, here comes the fun part where we actually get to braiding. So first I put the Shine and Jam conditioning gel onto my hair and the base so that everything is nice and neat, and I brush it through with my Demon brush. And then you take your first hair. We are working in the rule of 3. We are going to take the first strand of hair and braid 3 times down before we add it. This is important because we want to make sure that it looks natural. When your middle finger comes out, that is where you're going to put your first strand of hair. You put it on there, make sure that it's on there nice and tight, and you go ahead and start braiding. Add the next strand and you repeat until you use all 3 pieces of hair. This is called the feed-in method if you guys didn't know. Here I am showing it to you again where I add another piece of hair to the braid. You make sure that it's your middle finger because that is the easiest and only way that I'm able to do it. I don't know if anyone else does this, but I add the gel to my hair and the braiding hair and comb it through where you can't see where my hair ends and where the braiding hair starts. I forgot to say in the beginning, but please use clips or hair bands. They are so useful. So we're going to do this one last time. This is actually my last braid on my head. So as you see, I braid my hair 3 times, wait for my middle finger to come out. Using your pointer finger and your middle finger, blend your hair in with your natural hair, doing the same on the other side, and start to braid. If you can, do this tight because it is very important that you do not see where you add in the hair. That defeats the whole purpose of a knotless box braid. I was finally done after 7+ hours. I was so tired, but I was not completely finished. I still needed to go and dip my hair into boiling water to seal the ends. For some reason, when I first dipped my hair into the hot boiling water, it did not seal the ends like it usually does. And I've been using this hair for a while, so I don't know why it didn't work. So I did it another time, and that did the trick. I took a scissors and cut off the ends because some of them were longer than the other ones, and then some of them just had loose hairs, and I wanted it to be clean, you know? It had to be clean, so I had to cut it off. We are almost done. I'm using the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. This helps seal the hair and basically set it into place. This is the first time I've used this foam mousse, and I have zero complaints. It works well, it smells great. Please do not mind the huge wet spot on my shirt. That is from the water from me dipping my hair into the hot boiling water. I didn't notice until later. You already know that if you're working with box braids, you're going to get some type of liquid on you. If it's not the mousse, if it's not the water, it's going to be something. So this is my favorite part, where I finally get to put on my do-rag and go to bed, and then you're going to see me reacting to seeing the wet spot. Gotta zoom you in so you didn't have to look at that anymore. I use a do-rag or a satin scarf when I go to bed to set my hair. Y'all can use whatever you want. This is also setting the foam mousse in your hair, so when you wake up, your hair is going to be nice and smooth and shiny. But we're not done yet. Yes, we keep it double capped up in this house. We use a do-rag and a bonnet. We gotta protect the ends of our hair as well. Now I am off to bed, and I'll see y'all in the morning. And look at me, look at my hair, look how nice and shiny it looks. Boy, I was feeling myself today. But we can't stop. We gotta do our edges. We're using Shine and Jam and my edge brush, and this has to be my favorite part of doing my hair, is doing my edges, because it's so satisfying. Look at that swoop. Oh my god, look at it. Oh my god, it's amazing. I love it. And there we have it, my knotless box braids. They're not perfect, but they're pretty darn good for a first timer. I was playing around with some hairstyles that you could do with the knotless braids, so please leave a comment if you want to see a video about that, because I'd love to do one. Really enjoyed that, and it helped you guys and showed you how to do it. Like I said before in the beginning, this is my very first time doing knotless braids, and I love them. They're way easier personally than doing regular box braids, and they look real natural. Don't see the bump. And if you are good with your parting, which I am not, these will come out 10 times better than mine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and put my post notifications on, because you guys know you want to see this video next week. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful, fantabulous, amazing day, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.